This thing is very small. It looks big on the I'm a 4'11" woman. My hands are bigger than the circles. It's very small. It can fit the whole, this is my leg, this is my leg. The whole thing can fit in my lap. It's a very small light fixture. It's kind of, the picture is kind of misleading, but I hope it's beautiful when I hang it up because I don't feel like going through the grueling process of a return. So, to show you how small it is, it comes in this little bitty box. So that should have told me that it was small from the jump, but I thought the circumference of the circles is probably about as big as the box, and it was.
Looks like a water guy. What's the temperature of the night?
Callers. Turn on the fan. All by that remote. Turn your fan on.
Acá tienes una cosita que traía pila.